Hey everyone, welcome to our comprehensive guide on GST in Karnataka. Today we're going to dive deep into the goods and services tax, commonly known as GST, and how it impacts businesses in Karnataka. Karnataka is home to a diverse range of businesses, from bustling marketplaces to modern business districts. All these businesses are integrated into the GST system. GST stands for Goods and Services Tax, a comprehensive, multi-stage, destination-based tax that is levied on every value addition. Essentially, it's like a national sales tax that applies uniformly across all states in India, including Karnataka. Before GST was implemented, there were multiple indirect taxes that made the tax system very complicated. GST has streamlined this by replacing those old taxes, making the process much simpler and more efficient. For businesses in Karnataka, GST is a significant change. It affects how they price their products and services and how they manage their tax payments. The introduction of GST has brought about a new way of handling taxes, which requires businesses to adapt their accounting and pricing strategies. So if you own or manage a business in Karnataka, it's crucial to have a thorough understanding of GST. This knowledge will help you comply with the regulations and optimize your business operations. The GST system is designed to be transparent and straightforward, making it easier for businesses to follow the rules and file their taxes correctly. However, the GST framework is dynamic with frequent updates and changes. Therefore, staying informed about the latest GST rules and amendments is essential for every business owner in Karnataka. In September 2024, Karnataka made some significant changes to its GST rules. These changes are aimed at improving the efficiency and transparency of the tax system. These changes are important for businesses operating in the state, as they will need to adapt to the new requirements to stay compliant. One of the most significant changes has to do with Aadhaar, which is a unique identification number issued to residents of India. Aadhaar is like India's national ID card, and it is used for various purposes, including verifying identity and accessing government services. Now, most businesses in Karnataka have to connect their GST registration with their Aadhaar number. This linkage is mandatory and aims to streamline the process. This is a part of the new Karnataka Goods and Services Tax rules from 2024, which are designed to enhance the integrity of the tax system. By linking Aadhaar with GST registration, the government aims to prevent fraudulent activities and ensure that only legitimate businesses can operate. Another important change is related to the GST R1 form, which businesses use to report their sales to the government. This form is crucial for businesses as it helps the government track sales and ensure that the correct amount of tax is being paid. The new rules have simplified the GST R1 form to make it easier for businesses to fill out, reducing the time and effort required for compliance. Even with these changes, GST is actually good for businesses in a lot of ways. It simplifies the tax structure and makes compliance easier for everyone involved. For example, small businesses don't have to register for GST right away. They can wait until their turnover exceeds a certain threshold, giving them time to grow. They can wait until they start selling more. This flexibility is crucial for new businesses trying to establish themselves in the market. Another good thing is the composition scheme. This scheme allows small businesses to pay a lower GST rate, which reduces their tax burden significantly. This is a special deal for small businesses where they pay a lower GST rate. It's designed to make it easier for them to manage their finances and stay compliant. This makes it easier for them to handle their taxes. The simplified process means they can focus more on growing their business rather than worrying about complex tax issues. GST also means you can do everything online now. This digital approach saves time and reduces paperwork. Businesses can file their GST forms and pay taxes online, which is way easier than the old way of using paper. This convenience is a game changer for many small business owners. If you need help with GST, the Karnataka Commercial Taxes Department is there for you. They have a website with lots of information, and they also have a phone number you can call to ask questions. Also, the 55th GST Council meeting made even more updates. It's important for businesses to know about these updates. The Council meets often to talk about GST. Staying up to date on GST is really important for businesses in Karnataka. If you know the rules, you can avoid paying extra fines, and you can also use the benefits that GST offers.